Oh my goodness. Hey you guys, this is the look for today. It's going to be a full get ready with me. I'm starting out with my Guile Cosmetics and this is your brow kit in coffee. I use the wax thingy. I've never used this before. It's my first time using it on camera. And I don't know what the wax thingy does, but I use it and then I use the other part, the brown part. This makeup I'm doing it specifically for the shoot. I do not like natural looking brows at all. I'm doing this just for this shoot, and I thought, what better time than to introduce you guys to this brow kit that Guile Cosmetics does have on their website, and you can shop www.guilecosmetics.com. And listen, I am like, this is the perfect time because I never use this. I never ever use this, but this shoot called for it, and I'm really glad I used it. It was easy to use. It's like like a pomade, So grab an angled brush or a flat top brush and go to work, draw the shape that you want, so on and so forth. Oh, then I'm going to be going in with the Anchor Cosmetics Concealer, and it is in the color CC33, and I'm using this to define my brows, and on top of my brows, I'm actually going to be mixing the CC33 from Anchor with the Camouflage Foundation in the color Perfect Bronze from Sasha Cosmetics. I normally mix the concealer color with my face color to get my brow bone to clean up on top of my brow bone. But yeah, so I want to give a huge shout out, and please go ahead and tell her to come watch this video and give her the timestamp to Petite. I know she does not want to do this. She's such a private little beautiful woman. Oh, she look good. But she bought this ring light for me. I'm filming with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Can you believe it? And I'm using the front facing camera, bitches. The front facing camera. Oh, this is my Sasha foundation in Perfect Bronze from Sasha Cosmetics. Yeah, front facing camera with this quality, this light, and I didn't have my doors open. I think I just had one door open. I think so, I'm not sure. And I had like the light on, but this is in the day, like in the morning, so the light being on didn't make any difference anyway. Yes, girl. Whoa, yes, girl. What is it, Dexter? River, which song is Secret River? Anchor Cosmetics again, C33 concealer. This is light and I love it. I don't care. It could be white. I can work with it. That's how good I am. Okay. Let me just go ahead and toot my own horn. I've been on makeup orders for, what's it now, like 9-10 years or something. And my thing not lily, the things I do to myself and what I record as well. Look at how good my brows look. Bro, my brows look like Kendall did them. Bro, my brows look so flipping good. I'm like, yes, bitch, work it. And I had to like work these brows. So now this is the the Anchor Cosmetics in 06. This is their powder, their loose setting powder in the number 6. It's light, and I'm using this to press onto my brow bone right under where the line is on my brow bone, just exactly under there. And I'm using that same powder as well to go in these areas to get a lighter look just under my eyes, because would have been shooting outdoors. As I say, I've been doing this for years, so I did my makeup for the shoot. I knew it was going to be outdoors. I knew what setting I was going to be at. I do not use setting sprays. I did not use any setting sprays for this shoot. I did not put on any glow for this shoot or highlight, as you'd have seen for this shoot. If you guys follow me on TikTok or on my Instagram, this is my all over powder in Perfect Spice, sorry, and it's from Sasha Cosmetics as well. And I'm using it to blend to add another layer of like blending to my brow bone, like just underneath my brow bone, and that's the same powder to use, and that's going to go all over my face. So this is the Anchor Cosmetics palette, and it's their royal palette, and their slogan is "You are beautifully defined." And I sent her a voice note. I was like, bitch, I'm play the voice note here. I was like, bitch, like you find it, I mean, I said, no, I need somebody on my kick, girl. I mean, I saw the blood cleanse this. Hold on. Let I find device note. Hold on. Oh. Okay, hold on now. Hold on. Hold on. I can't believe I'm making my good money do this, hold on. No, alright. Wait, I'm gonna pause this. This is ridiculous. Alright, my friend, listen. Now listen to me, bitch. I need your blood cleanse. Some of them in my makeup kit. Bitch, your eyeshadows. white in that black palette, blood cleanse, girl. You find it, mama. Manal, yo, I needed to make it. I wish you had like full stuff like lashes, brushes. Bro, her stuff is just amazing. So right now I'm using what's this again? Live with Love palette from Morphe. Yeah, I went to this one because again for the shoot, I needed to use specific colors that weren't in these two palettes, and I was like, oh, I was so bummed, and I wanted to use the colors, in the Anchor Cosmetics palette because I could have found a workaround, but I didn't want to like taint the vision of the producer, the vision of the stylist. So I just went with it, and because I was filming for the shoot, I was like, yeah, but I just had to introduce you guys to Anchor Cosmetics. I will be working with them closely. I am one of their brand ambassadors, and I too can be a brand ambassador for the low price of, I don't know what it is yet. No, no, I said, but I know yet if you email me first answer. But yeah, I've just been working with companies. I've been getting my mental health together. I've been jogging. I've been losing weight. I've been in a very healthy relationship that actually caters to my mental health. I've been very open with my boys, but working with the boys now it's a little bit difficult. So I'm trying to find a workaround, because now I'm going on the road a little bit more often. I'm a little bit more busy, so yeah, my opportunities are getting more and more. So yeah, but it took so much time blending, just blending, and I'm like, bitch, I'm finna raise my price in this bitch. I'm like, this is a whole lot of work, bitch. I almost had carpal tunnel. I was like, no ma'am, I am going to pay myself for my flipping troubles, because at this point I will no longer do my makeup for free. It is too much work, man. God damn it. Too much work. Sure, man, just to look cutely, wootily. And I'm naturally, watchily, prettily, wittily. I am speaking shittily. Crap, I left what's the word are they called? Lip glosses. Black eyeliner, blending or going again with what's it called? The Royal palette to get that brown. And then I went in to their aroma, is it called atone palette or atone palette? I say atone. So it's their white one. Went to the atone palette with the red, but then I didn't like how it looked, so then I went in off camera in the same palette I used, the Live Love one from Morphe. I used the excuse me, the only black that's in there that had flicks in it, like glitter, like silver glitter. I used that black, and I went over everything because I wanted like that kind of a look. Yeah, never didn't want like a brown smoky like I thought it. So I'm applying my lashes. These lashes are just like generic lashes by the pack of 5. I'm gonna just pop on one. Then I'm going in with, oh crap, yeah, the pencil again from Anchor Cosmetics. Oh, where's the pencil? I got everything except a pencil. My pencil is my bag, and the gloss is from Anchor Cosmetics. As the both glosses are from Anchor Cosmetics. Okay, I'm rummaging through my bag to see if I can find. Okay, great. Yeah. I found. Oh, I just found one. Oh, I found 2. Perfect. So the pink gloss is called 28, and it's from Anchor, and the clear one is called number 12. Again, they're both from Anchor. There goes my hair. There goes my ashy hands. After this, I lotioned up. I didn't want to like body oil up or what body cream up, but I didn't want to do that before I did my makeup. Come on, never want my products and forget greasy. So this is the look, you guys. I'm in love. Huge shout out to Anchor Cosmetics. Please follow them on Instagram. Shop their website, and if there's any discount code, I'll link that in the description below. Follow them on Instagram. Tell them I sent you. Say to the chest. Say it with your chest. Let them know. Follow them. Give them the support. Black-owned business. Women-owned business. Me soon, more work. Email me now. Bye, guys.